Okay people, so today's tutorial is a bag and I'm making use of this Sego Gele. Please, whatever this is called in your locale, write it for us to learn the names, the different types of names it's called in the comment section. And please, if you are an explorer like me, please continue with me now to the end of the video. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified and subscribe to this channel for more tips and more beautiful videos. See you in my next video. Wrong side of my pocket is facing the right side of my lining. Now I'm just going to sew this way, then sew also this way, and sew. So for you to create more pocket space, just do the kind of lines like this. Pick the lining piece together and sew along the sides, the bottom edge. Then repeat also on fabric. Now to the bottom corners of each edge, just go in by 3 inches this way, 3 inches this way, and then 3 inches this way. So 3 inches. Let's connect with your ruler to have a box there. Then open up and sew. And sew along that line. We do the same to the other side. also end to the fabric. So let's see what that looks like. So I've turned the lining and I've turned the fabric and the lining. So to insert just go in by 6 inches from the side, 6 inches, all right, and then you pin down the strap.
Straps.
So you are going to still do the same on the other side. Then you pin it down with a pin. Let's pin it. Be careful not to twist the hand. Make sure the hand is straight. Be careful not to twist it, just in case it turns. Alright, so I'm just going to sew to secure this. Right side and the fabric to the wrong side. Now put the lining this way into the bag. So that makes it right side of the bag facing the right side of the lining, and make sure the sides seam match up this way. Make sure it matches up on all the sides. Then pin.
So guys, after I made this bag, I was so excited, so I decided to use it as my hospital bag. So let me know what you think in the comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe. If you have watched to this point and you're yet to subscribe, please, it doesn't cost you anything. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I upload new videos. Thanks guys, hope to see you in my next video. Bye.